Hello, everyone. Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. In this video, we will be witnessing the world's first sheet-fed liner insertion machine. Ever wondered how big industries insert liners into their bags so fast? Forget the old-school manual way, because today, we're breaking down the game-changing features of the Sheet-Fed Liner Insertion Machine and why it's a total productivity booster. Key features of a Sheet-Fed Liner Insertion Machine. Handles multiple materials like a pro. This beast of a machine can handle all sorts of cut sheets in tubular form. We're talking HDPE laminated paper sheets, PP woven laminated sheets, and even BOPP laminated PP woven sheets. Why does this matter? Because these materials are super durable, moisture resistant, and strong. Whether it's packaging for chemicals, fertilizers, or animal feed, you need bags that last. Insane speed equals more profits. Here's where things get crazy. This machine inserts liners at a speed of 30 to 35 bags per minute. Yep, you heard that right. Compared to manual insertion, that's like supercharging your production. But wait, how many can it load at once? Up to 500 sheets in one go. That means less downtime, more productivity, and, most importantly, more profits. Perfect for small and custom orders. Not every business deals with massive bulk orders, right? Some need smaller batches and different bag sizes. Guess what? This machine handles all of that with ease. So, does that mean it's only for big factories? No. Even if you're handling smaller production runs, this machine keeps things super flexible. Sleeve attachment. Your way. Here's a cool feature. You get options. The machine can attach the sleeve before or after stitching depending on what works best for your production line. That's some next-level customization. Compact design. Big performance. Now, if you're thinking, do I even have space for this? Don't stress. This machine is super compact but still packs a punch. How much labor does it replace? Get this, it does the work of up to 35 to 40 manual workers. That's 40 people you don't need to hire, train, or manage. Just press start and let it roll. Our machines are designed to ensure efficiency, precision, and sustainability, empowering manufacturers to stay ahead in the competitive market. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business. Reach out to us today and book a free live demo at our factory for more information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you for your manufacturing needs.